Tesla, an American electric vehicle and clean energy company, was founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Marc Trepanning with the vision of proving that electric cars could be better, faster, and more fun to drive than gasoline-powered vehicles. The company truly stepped into the global spotlight in 2004 when entrepreneur Elon Musk joined as the largest investor after leading Tesla's first major funding round, later becoming CEO and the public face of the brand. Musk's ambitious vision and risk-taking approach transformed Tesla from a small startup into a market leader that has redefined the auto industry. Tesla's first production vehicle, the Tesla Roadster, launched in 2008, stunned the world by becoming the first highway-legal electric car capable of traveling over 200 miles on a single charge, a range previously thought impossible for EVs at the time. Building on that breakthrough, Tesla expanded its lineup with the Model S in 2012, a luxury sedan that combined long range, lightning-fast acceleration, and advanced technology. In 2015, Tesla introduced the Model X, a futuristic SUV with unique falcon wing doors, advanced safety features, and remarkable performance for its size. The Model 3 followed in 2017, becoming Tesla's most affordable and best-selling car, opening the brand to a much wider audience. In 2020, Tesla added the Model Y, a compact crossover SUV that blends practicality, efficiency, and technology, quickly becoming one of the top-selling EVs in the world. Beyond these current offerings, Tesla has a pipeline of highly anticipated products, including the angular, stainless steel-bodied Cybertruck, designed for durability and utility, the Tesla Semi, a fully electric heavy-duty truck aimed at revolutionizing freight transport, and the next-generation Roadster 2.0, promising record-breaking acceleration and range. What sets Tesla apart is its deep integration of advanced technology into its vehicles. The Autopilot system, along with the optional Full Self-Driving (FSD) package, allows semi-autonomous driving and is continually updated with new capabilities via over-the-air software updates, meaning a Tesla can improve its performance and features without the owner ever visiting a service center. Tesla also leads the EV industry in battery innovation, achieving longer ranges, faster charging, and lower costs through continuous research and development. Its proprietary Supercharger network spans across continents, enabling drivers to add hundreds of miles of range in as little as 30 minutes, making long-distance travel in an EV both practical and convenient. The company's impact on the global automotive market has been profound. It has forced legacy automakers like Ford, General Motors, Volkswagen, and Toyota to accelerate their electric vehicle plans, while also inspiring a wave of new EV startups. Despite its successes, Tesla faces significant challenges, including supply chain bottlenecks, battery production limitations, and increasing competition from both established car makers and emerging rivals. Furthermore, the push toward autonomous driving raises regulatory, safety, and ethical questions that Tesla must navigate carefully. Still, the brand's influence extends beyond automobiles. Tesla is also a major player in renewable energy through products like solar panels, solar roof tiles, and the Powerwall energy storage system, aiming to create a complete ecosystem for sustainable living. Under Musk's leadership, Tesla has become more than just a car company. It is a symbol of innovation, environmental responsibility, and bold risk-taking. Whether it's through record-breaking acceleration, industry-leading safety ratings, or game-changing battery technology, Tesla continues to prove that clean energy and high performance can coexist. As we look ahead, the question remains, will Tesla solidify its position as the world's most dominant automaker, or will new competition reshape the EV landscape? Whatever the outcome, one thing is certain. Tesla has permanently changed the way we think about transportation, and its influence will be felt for decades to come. Tesla is not just building cars, it's shaping the future of clean, sustainable transportation. Let us know in the comments what you think of our effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you.